Hi everybody, it's Molly here, and I just want to give you 6 quick tips on how to make more conscious choices in your day. The first one is learn to be a quick change artist in your life. The second one is never forget you create your own reality by the choices that you make. Every 9 seconds we get a chance to make a new choice in our lives. Listen more, speak less. Number 4, do little things in a great way. I always say it's those TLTs that change our life. Tiny little things. Number 5, every choice that you make in your day will have consequences. And number 6 is attitude plus choices equals the results of your actions.